A report on the mental health of youths with disabilities and their family members has been launched by a non-profit organization. The report seeks to address the numerous challenges that persons with disabilities encounter across 6 different categories through a list of recommendations that cover inclusion and prevent therapies. Kemi Balogun reports.
Studies have shown that symptoms of depression may be 2 to 10 times more common in individuals with disabilities or chronic illnesses, and depression is one of the most common secondary conditions associated with disability and chronic illness. Advocates have continued to raise voices to make mental health support a priority for all, especially for people with disabilities.
A lot of people go through anxiety and depression just because they are isolated or they are discriminated against. 10% of people without disabilities have issues with depression and anxiety, which is a lot actually. I'm just giving that estimate. And we are going to have at least 20% of them, of those cases among people with disabilities. And it's a challenge that I think we should look into.
This report launched tagged depression and anxiety amongst youth with disabilities and family members covers 345 young people with disabilities and their families across Lagos and Abuja.
When we designed this project, we hoped to reach at least 440 youths with disabilities and family members. We hoped to reach 300 youths with disabilities and then 140 family members. But in the end, we reached 345 youths with disabilities and family members. Of the 345 beneficiaries on this project, 254 were youths with disabilities and 91 were family members.
Let Nigeria become an inclusive society for persons with disability so that every person with disability will feel belonged, and that whatever that we are doing, we should involve them in decision making.
It would be very important for the Ministry of Education to see how we could infuse sign language as a course in the curriculum. Other recommendation as well is for the Actors Guild of Nigeria. How can we change the narrative and the stories that you're putting out there regarding people affected with dwarfism? And other recommendations as well, if we can actually have, for example, the NHIS to have special packages, for sickle cell warriors.
6 different categories of persons with disabilities and their families were captured in the project, and the findings hope to strengthen inclusion and lessen the burden they face in society. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.